BBI is strong on copyright protection and intellectual property rights so that creators can recover their investment. If you can help us to market this BBI thing, it will be a good thing for the people of Kenya. We must change the narrative, and we don't want to allow charlatans to come up with slogans to confuse the people of this country. You need to be careful about these dangerous utterances. Ati hustler, sijidini, yutakataka. Will not solve the problem of this country. With music, you can build or destroy the nation. We need to use our music, promote nationhood and not hate. We are entering that period when politicians use musicians to cause enmity. Artists should avoid that.
Handshake, when this country got divided into two after 2017 election, the next thing was what? Civil war. And civil war will kill our children, will kill everything, will knock everything. There is no country that has survived with the civil war. These two men, if they give nothing else to us, we are thankful to them for the handshake, for putting this country together. If you hear anybody say that we should have continued the way we were going, I salute President Uhuru, being the head of state and who has been sworn in, given the sword, going and sitting with somebody else called Raila Odinga, and they shake hand and say, let's build one country together. For now, because they are building the country, we want to build the country with them. Let them give us our share.